Anyone with an entrepreneurial spirit and a viable business idea can start a business. Starting a business is an exciting venture, but it also requires careful planning and execution. Here are the key steps and requirements to start a business. Business idea. Begin with a clear and innovative business idea. Identify a product or service that fulfills a need or solves a problem in the market. Conduct market research to validate your idea and understand your target audience and competition. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. A well-thought-out business plan will guide your actions and attract potential investors or lenders. Legal structure. Choose the legal structure for your business. Common options include sole proprietorship. An individual operates the business and is personally liable for its debts. Partnership. 2 or more individuals share ownership and responsibility for the business. Limited liability company, LLC, provides personal liability protection for the owners, members. Corporation, a separate legal entity with shareholders and limited liability for owners. Each legal structure has different implications for taxation, liability, and management, so choose the one that suits your business needs best. Business name and registration. Choose a unique and catchy name for your business. Check with the relevant government agency to ensure the name is available for registration. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities as per your chosen legal structure. Permits and licenses. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses required to operate legally in your industry and location. The requirements may vary depending on the nature of your business and your location. Business location. Decide on a physical location for your business if needed. This could be a storefront, office space, or a home-based setup. Consider factors like accessibility, rent costs, and proximity to your target market. Business finances. Secure funding for your business if required. This can be through personal savings, loans, or investments from family and friends. Set up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Business website and online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. Create a professional website and utilize social media platforms to promote your business and reach a wider audience. Build a team. If your business requires additional help, hire employees or contractors with the necessary skills and expertise to support your operations. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers and promote your products or services. Utilize both online and offline marketing channels to reach your target audience effectively. Starting a business requires effort, dedication, and the ability to adapt to challenges and opportunities. Be prepared to invest time and resources into your venture and continuously learn from your experiences to grow and succeed. Seeking advice from mentors or other successful entrepreneurs can also be valuable in your entrepreneurial journey.